Hello and welcome to another episode of Real Talk La Jolla. I'm your host, John McGinnis. After months of debate, the La Jolla Community Planning Association, or LJCPA, has voted in favor to expand the outdoor dining at the new restaurant Paradisaea located in Bird Rock. The original permit allowed outdoor seating to extend from the building exterior to the sidewalk by 4.5 feet. The deviation requested was to expand that to 17 feet from the building. While many residents argue that this intensification of use will cause safety hazards for motorists and pedestrians in this area of Bird Rock, the LJCPA ultimately voted to allow it. Paradisaea, located at 5680 Jolla Boulevard, opened in September 2022. We'll follow this story and report back here once we have updates. I'm John McGinnis from Real Talk La Jolla. We'll see you here next time.